Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So anyways, gold today did kind of drift up a little first thing, and now it did come down. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here because I think this is probably a wave A. I think this is a wave B. The question is the wave B over? I see the possibility of this being like an A, B, C, and we already got to 61%, and we're already going down for the wave C. But because I think we're in a wave 4, and because the wave 4s are very messy, I would not be surprised at all if it actually went up one more time, made more of a complex looking wave B, then we got to push down for wave C, and it ended up actually playing out more like this. I definitely think we're in a wave 3. I think this is a wave 4, and I think we need to go up to that 278, right around the 3070 area for a wave 5. So I'm definitely still looking at this as a wave 4 and then potentially going up again for a wave 5 once the wave 4 pattern is over, which will probably not happen until, I don't know, maybe Wednesday or Thursday this week. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.